Hey everybody, this is Craig from Teenage here, and today I'm going to be recording a few wee games on the ranked ladder, playing my Zoo Warlock deck. Let's see what we get. My eternal quest to open Prince Keliseth, the 2-drop legendary, where it's if you play it, Battlecry, if you have no 2 costs in your deck, you can give every card in your deck +1/+1.
Your soul shall
Such
be
a strong
mine.
card. This hand is awful. Oh my goodness gracious me. Oh, Druid. Ah, it's scary. Gee, Druid is so scary. My hand's worse. Oh, good God. Okay. Well, we'll see how things go. See how it goes. Wow. That's awful.
We will devour this world.
It's late. Are you serious? Okay. Oh well. Let's try and pull this back. I don't usually open so many big high cost cards with the amount of 1-drops I play, but oh well. Aye. Okay. Oh. Okay. This thing's a problem.
How long can this go on? How long can this go on?
Hold on that. The poison is problematic. Very problematic, that is.
Get it out! Get it out!
I'm just gonna enter in here. I can send both of these into that, but then I have no defenses against this thing. I'd rather try and not lose this yet. See how it goes. Got Bone Mare next turn, thanks to my coin. So that'll be good. I also give one of the cards immune. Oh, okay. Quite strong. Okay, I'm using it. Did its job. At least this will be up to 4 now, so that's good. Still have my Bone Mare play. That's good. Okay. Done it earlier, mate, but oh well. So that's it. Yeah, that'll be. That looks alright. Yeah, that's pretty good. Love this card, Bomare. Such a great card. Oh, that's pretty good. Yeah.
I sense your strength.
Speak your peace.
That's pretty good. Lots of board presence. A swipe won't do too much damage actually. So, fairly okay against board clear. I got Lich King next turn, so that's pretty good. It's pretty good. Also Skeleton or Death Speaker next turn if I need to take out a minion. Yeah. Oh boy, what's coming? Ultimate Infestation, isn't it? Ah, yeah. That's really good. Lich King play, I think, here, definitely. Some Detonate cards.
Of the frozen
What are we gonna get? Oh, Frostmourne, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. It's got a full hand now. Perfect 3 damage one. Yeah. 7 mana, what's he gonna do?
The land serves me.
That's quite good though. I need to get Frostmourne play as soon as. Gonna draw. Okay. Space. Nearly there. I actually pull this game back, but 10 mana. He's got 10 mana. He's got 7 in hand. He's probably got something scary coming. But we'll see. I played this a while ago, but heck.
What to do?
What do you do? Oh, damn.
Time waits for
Get this though, that's nice.
I can see.
There we go. Pulled that back for a really bad position. That just shows how good this deck is. Alright, thank you for joining me for that game where, yeah, started off really badly, but really pulled it back. So thank you for joining us on Team Needs here. Hope to see you again soon for more Hearthstone content. And of course, if you're not here for Hearthstone, we will have more Yu-Gi-Oh! Pokemon content all coming very soon. Goodbye.